Now, if you guys are curious why I'm putting so much effort into the power steering setup on this car, because I had the hydraulic, which is the stock, then I did the depowered rack, and then I did the manual. Now I have the Prius steering column motor with the EG rack. It's because I want to test it out and see which one I like best. All right, so I already have the Prius steering column motor, and that feels amazing with a depowered powered rack that came stock with a car. And I'm assuming with the full EG manual rack with a quave quick ratio, it should feel pretty dang solid. All right, there's no play in this steering rack. Like, I'm pulling it right now, it's absolutely solid. And then it rolls really easy. Let me see if I could roll it. There it is. It's still brand new, but that's exactly what I'm looking for, because my old rack, it's tired. So it's got some slack and play, and even, you know, with all the adjusting that I did to it, it still has play because it's been worn down to 198,000 miles, right? So I'll report back once I get my alignment done.